this training, we're going to be covering how to add additional fields to the customer registration form. So first you're going to go to Customers and then Customer Profile Fields. So this page will show the fields on the registration form that are active and required. So in this Add New Field section, you're going to type your question or what you're wanting to ask on the registration page. This next field is if you wanted this to show up in your import and export section. So I'm just going to put meals in this field. Our question is, how often do you cook each week? So I'm going to leave this in the additional information section. In this option, I'm going to choose a select box, so customers have to choose an option that I've pre-added. On this extra field, right now it says it can be viewed by customers. And then I'm going to select empty by default. So that way customers have to actually select a default option. Otherwise, the default will be blank. So I'm going to click Add. So after I've clicked Add, you'll see that the new field will show up in this section. So this is where you can add in your values. So the first option I'm going to put is 1 to 2 times. I'm going to put a semicolon, 3 to 4 times, and 5 to 7 times. And then I'm just going to click the Update button. So now this field has been saved with your selection options. So this is where it shows up, where you can select that it's active or required. If you want this to be a required field, you first check mark active and then check mark it as required. So I'm going to click this as save. So then the last step in this process is going down to the bottom where it says register steps fields. So I'm going to include this on step number 2. And I'm going to click Update. So then the last step you would want to do is make sure you double check this on the front end just to make sure your steps are correct. So that's how you add additional fields to your registration form.